Enemy helicopter destroyed. Vessel is under attack. Missiles prepared for launch. Vessel is under attack. Left rudder. Enemy missile detected. Hull hit. Damage in section 3. Hull breached. Target in sight. Missile away. The enemy ship has been sunk. Let's move on. Right rudder. Missile silo fire. Missile away, 8 seconds to impact. Cannon systems armed and standing by. F ahead. All posts prepare for battle. Heading right, 30 degrees.